Hello everybody and welcome to Angela Inago TV. So as you guys know, we are in Ghana on a 5-week vacation, and a friend of ours that we met here, my cousin had some friends here, we've been spending a lot of time with them. Anyway, they gave me this cocoa pod. So Ghana is the #2 exporter when it comes to cocoa, which is what we get all of our chocolate from. So apparently you can cut this open and you can eat it. So this is gonna be a short video of me and Samantha. Say hi, Samantha.
Hi.
Trying this. I don't know what to expect. I think it's ripe. I think she told me a couple days. It's actually been more than a couple days. So hopefully I don't cut this open and it looks absolutely terrible. So this is what it looks like.
And you're not supposed to eat it. You're supposed to suck on the seeds, and then when you're done, let the seeds dry for maybe a few days, and then pound it up, and and then you have to turn it into chocolate.
Raw cocoa, right? Okay. How did she cut it open?
Just cut it in half.
Just cut it in half. Okay.
Yeah, you can't cut it
all right,
long ways.
So we're gonna cut it in half. Let's see.
She cuts it in half and then she pulls out the seeds.
Just like this, or long ways?
No, you can't do it long ways.
Okay. What if I cut through a seed?
You won't cut through the seeds.
That sounds like I'm hitting a seed. Okay.
Yeah, you won't cut through the seeds. I saw.
All right, this is Samantha telling me to do it this way. I would have cut it the other way, but Samantha said you cut it this way.
No, you can't, because
she was there.
Yeah, she was there when
you were there, so I'm gonna trust you. Because I don't know. Maybe I should have watched a video. Okay, does that look right? Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. Can you tap the screen, Samantha, so they can see it? Just tap the. Yeah. Okay. So there you go. I don't know if does that look about the rightness?
Yep.
Okay, so there you go. And so we're just gonna.
You take a seed out.
Take a seed out. So
you gotta take out.
And then
you suck on it, and then when it's all gone, don't chew it.
I think there should be more white stuff on it. You suck the white stuff off?
No, that's the amount of what.
I've seen them, and they have more pulp, like more white stuff on them. So I don't know if I waited too long.
You didn't.
Is that done or no? Okay, so kind of looks similar, but yours had this much white stuff on it when she did it. Didn't have more.
No.
It tastes like it's kind of sweet. Actually, tastes like it's like the texture of a mango a little bit. Do you think so? And the flavor.
It's like a sweet sour kind. It's not sour, but.
A little sweet, like a little slimy. I wish there was more meat on it. More wet. More white stuff. Because I could see that being really good. Maybe I should have cut it open when she told me to. It's been like 4 days past the time she told me to cut it open. But I've seen Mark Wiens eat these, and his had a lot of the covering. If you see the little white covering, his is like really thick.
But still has some on it.
Let's cut it open. Oh, cool. So when you cut it open, that's what the inside looks like.
But you're not supposed to cut it open, but that's what
I know, but I just want to show the inside of what it looks like. And let me see. I can't really smell it. Oh, that one has a lot more on it. See? Tap the screen for me, Mentha. Okay, so you see that? That has a little bit more of that white sticky stuff on it.
This one has more.
I almost swallowed it. It's so slimy. Oh yeah, that has more.
The ones that have more are so good.
Yeah, the
Because-
ones that have.
Because
Okay.
the ones at her house, they didn't have a lot on them, but they're still good.
I think the ones on the top were a little bit more dried out. The ones that have more of the white covering on are really good. I'm surprised at how sweet they are. So if you can see in here, there's a few that have a little bit more of the white. Yeah, those are good. Ooh. Now, once you wash, that's good. It really does taste like a mango.
But a little, doesn't taste exactly like a mango, but it kind of tastes
But
like a mango.
a little bit.
I was like, when I ate it, she was like, "You want to try some?" I was like, "Yeah." I ate it. I was like, "Wow, that's really good."
That is good.
I have to get more of these. She said she got it on the mountain. Well,
When they
like
went
at the
When
store.
they went bike riding.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. There's some stuck together.
They're good.
Ooh, I'm gonna do 3 at a time. That's good. Something you want to try?
No thanks.
Come try it. We're doing a video. Come on,
I
Alex.
really don't want to try it.
It looks.
It's really good. I promise you'll like it.
You
Yeah.
suck on it, and then when you're done, you pound it and turn it into
All
chocolate.
you do is just suck the white layer off. Come on. I'm
It's
forcing
really good,
her.
just like mango.
Come down so you can see you.
To me,
I'm gonna feed it to
the texture. The texture.
She's a scaredy cat. Yeah.
That's good.
Can you try
That's
this?
Sydney.
Oh, no, thank you, please.
Okay, so
Yes,
what we're gonna do with these, I think we have to obviously wash them because they've been in our mouths.
No,
then
you don't
we are
wash them.
Yes, we're gonna have to wash them. We've been sucking on them. They have our spit on them. That's gross. Even though we're gonna eat it, still have to do it. So anyway, we're going to figure out what to do. I'll probably watch a video on what to do with the pods. Then I dry them out. You can maybe toast them. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out.
You
But
don't
we are
toast them, you
gonna
have to leave them out.
She acts like she's done this before. But anyway,
No.
we'll figure it out. We'll watch a YouTube video. That's what YouTube is for. So we're going to figure out what to do with the seeds, finish eating these, and then figure out maybe we can grind it once it's dried and make some kind of, it's going to be really bitter, obviously, because you have to add your own sugar and all that, and the chocolate we get in the store is processed cream, milk, sugar, all that other stuff. So, who knows, but we're gonna try it. So let's do our thumbnail, Samantha. All right. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, but we're gonna finish eating these, and then we're going to figure out what to do, wash them, do whatever, and there'll be another video to show you guys what the end product is, or even we'll show you what you're supposed to do once we find out. So, and I'm actually gonna try to find another one that maybe is, again, like I said, I didn't eat these when she told me to. When she gave it to me, she told me to eat it 2 days later, and it's been more like 5 or 6 days. So I think
Yeah, I told Daddy to
some of
cut
the
it
pods
open.
are a little dried out. So
I told Daddy to cut it open. He was like, "No, it's not ripe yet." I'm like, "Daddy, cut
yeah,
it
some
open."
of them aren't. So anyway, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The next few weeks is going to be all Ghana vlog series, just basically hanging out with us as we vacation here in Ghana. Food, family, fun, all that good stuff. So subscribe so you don't miss a thing, and we will see you on the next video. Bye bye. Samantha, say bye.
Bye.